Welcome back to Tahoe tonight, and now we have a special guest in the studio, Garrett O'Neill from AgeLess Zen. How are you, Garrett?
I'm doing wonderful. How are you doing?
I'm doing well. So good to see you here again.
Yes, of course. Glad to be here.
Yeah, I hear that you have a new product coming out, or that already came out. It's the Splash Facial Cleanser that you want to tell us about?
Sure. So yes, I brought our Splash Facial Cleanser. You know, cleansing is part of the your skincare routine. It's probably one of the most important, I'd say. You need to cleanse your face in order for your moisturizers or your SPFs or any other creams or masks to function fully. What's great about our Splash Facial Cleanser is how we really differentiated in how we formulated it. So we use some pretty different key ingredients.
I was gonna say, is that about the ingredients themselves?
Right, exactly, yeah. So I guess first is that we use really soft sugar esters that are really great for kind of a luxurious soft sud. So they won't strip away too much of the oil that is, you know, that's needed in your skin. But what's great is that we use a flavonoid fraction concentrate, and it's from the sea buckthorn shrub, and it's known for being super concentrated with antioxidants. We also have we use Manuka honey. Not many people know, but Manuka honey is really far different than regular raw honey. It has a higher antimicrobial content for an ingredient called methyl glyoxal. It's just it's a higher concentration. And then we have ingredients like cinnamon and pearl powder and frankincense. And they're really known for conditioning the skin, high in calcium and magnesium, so they can help lighten the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So yeah, we really tried to set apart our cleanser compared to others.
That sounds awesome. And you guys are here local in South Lake Tahoe. Can people come and pick up the cleanser from you directly? Exactly.
Yes. So they can, you know, they can visit AgeLessZen.com. We ship all around, but we like for people to try out the products. I think it's kind of a daunting task to walk down an aisle and there's just tons and tons of products that you can't choose from. Well, what's great is that you can come in and try out the product before you purchase. I think it's a great way to receive a product demonstration, get to really understand the product before you make the purchase.
Yeah, I believe that would be awesome. And why don't you tell everybody then where you're located here?
Oh yeah, sure, that would help, right? So it's up behind the Round Hill Shopping Center, behind the Safeway. We are at 218 Elks Point. Yeah, you know, the greatest thing is that we've been doing, our lab is up here too, so you can see how where we do all of our product research, our clinical trials, and our ingredient work.
Yeah, and for people that are not familiar with your product line, because I know that this is not, you know, the cleanser is not your only product, why don't you tell us just a little bit of a
Sure, yeah, so exactly right. Our Splash Facial Cleanser is part of a product line that we have, and it's mostly in the anti-aging realm. So, you know, there's, as we age, our skin loses its ability to repair and to function at its full capacity. So we've developed a line of products, all clinically trialed and researched. Including night cream, various moisturizers, as well as our body contour cream and such too. So yeah, all of these products you can come by and try at our location.
That's awesome. Yeah, you have an extensive product line, and we appreciate it. We appreciate seeing you always and bringing some good information and awesome products. And for you at home, make sure that you check out AgeLessZen.com. And if you want to go and check them out in person, they are right here in the behind the Round Hill Shopping Plaza, right here in South Lake. So yeah, come on out and check them out. And right now we're going to go to a video about the art exhibition that they're having for the staff and the faculty at LTCC at the Halden Gallery. Check this out.